Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. As part of application of derivatives, let us solve an example where we have to find out the equation of tangent and normal to a parabola. So let's take down the problem. We have been given that it's a NCERT problem. We have been given y square equal to 4ax. We have to find out the equation of tangent and normal to this parabola y square equal to 4ax at the point at square comma 2at. So we have to find out the equation of tangent and normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax at the point at square comma 2at. Now we know that equation of the tangent is a straight line and normal is a straight line which is perpendicular to tangent. So first we also know that slopes of tangent and normal are at 90 degrees. So if we know slope of tangent, then we can immediately find out the slope of normal. So first let's go ahead and try to find out the equation of tangent. What's the general form of equation of a tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is what we know from our earlier knowledge of coordinate geometry. Here x1 is at square and y1 equal to 2at. Now we don't know the slope. So to find out the slope, we will leverage the derivative. So we will differentiate on both the sides. I will have 2y dy by dx equal to 4a, because derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So can I say based on that dy by dx is equal to 4a by 2y, or can I say it is equal to 2a by y? Dy by dx is equal to 2a by y. Now we are interested in slope of the curve or slope of the tangent to the curve y square is 4ax. At the point we are interested in the point at square comma 2at. We are interested in the slope at the point at square comma 2at. So that is nothing but equal to 2a divided by y. What's the value of y or y1? We have is 2at. So that makes it slope equal to 1 by t. Now once we know that, we can go back to our equation and we can substitute y minus y1 is 2at equal to m. We know that slope of the tangent to the curve at this particular point, that is what is nothing but slope, is 1 by t into x minus x1. x1 is at square. So if we simplify, we will have yt minus 2at square is equal to x minus at square. Or can we say, if we put it in the standard form ax plus by plus c, I will have x minus yt plus at square is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the tangent. Now let's go to normal. Now what is the slope of the normal if the slope of the tangent is 1 by t? Slope of normal is equal to reciprocal of slope of tangent. So that will become minus t. So if you know the slope of the normal, we know the point, we can again go back to the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So I can say y minus 2at equal to minus t into x minus at square. If we simplify, we will have y minus 2at equal to minus xt plus at cube. If we write it in the form of ax plus by plus c, we will have xt plus y minus 2at minus at cube is equal to 0. So that's how we can find out the equation of tangent and normal to a particular parabola at a point at square comma 2at. Let me just summarize this. we have been given the curve, we have to find out the equation of tangent and normal at a specific point, that is at square comma 2at. Now we know that equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the slope of the tangent at that particular point. Now to find out that, we are leveraging differentiation. We are applying derivative because we know dy by dx at a particular point is nothing but the slope of the tangent to the curve at that specific point. So if you differentiate on both sides, we have 2y dy by dx equal to 4a or dy by dx equal to 1 by t. If you substitute y equal to 2at. Now once we know slope of the tangent, we can substitute in the point slope form. You will get your equation. If you want to know the slope of the normal, you know the slope of the tangent. Negative reciprocal of slope of tangent is slope of normal, because tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, and we know that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slopes is always -1. So leveraging that, putting it into point slope form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, we got the equation of tangent and normal. So in the next session, we will look into increasing and decreasing functions, and what is a continuously strictly increasing function, strictly decreasing function, and how to use the first derivative test and the second derivative test. So look into that interesting topics in the coming session. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.